Rian, wake up, sweetheart. It's time for school.
5 more minutes, Mom.
No, dear. You'll be late.
Okay, Mom.
Good morning, son.
Good morning, Dad.
Study hard today.
I will, Dad.
Here's your breakfast.
Mom, aren't you eating?
I'll eat later.
Yes, your mother and I will eat after you leave.
Okay, have a great day.
Salma, there's only enough food for one person.
That's all right. Let Rian eat. He's growing.
I wish I could earn more.
Don't worry. One day our son will make us proud.
Hey, Rian, look at my new remote control car. Wow, it's amazing. My father bought me a video game yesterday. What toys do you have? I don't have one like this. You should ask your parents. Yes, I will. Mom! Mom!
Yes, dear?
I want a remote control racing car.
Racing car?
Yes! All my friends have one.
How much does it cost?
Around $30. Mom, can you buy it?
Maybe later, sweetheart.
Why later?
We need some time.
You always say that!
Please understand, dear.
No! You never buy me anything.
Please, don't go.
What happened?
He wants an expensive toy.
Poor child.
I wish I could buy it for him.
We can barely pay his school fees.
I know.
Don't cry. He's young. One day he will understand.
Mom, did you buy my toy?
Not yet, dear.
Why not?
We don't have enough money right now.
That's not fair!
Please be patient, my dear son.
I don't want to wait.
I'm trying my best.
I don't care! That's Mom's voice.
Salma, you look sick today.
I'm okay, madam.
You're coughing badly.
I need today's wages.
Please go home and rest.
I can't. My son's school fees are due.
You always think about your son. He's my world.
Mom is sick? And she's still working for me?
Rian, dinner is ready.
Thank you, Mom.
Are you okay?
Yes?
You seem different.
Mom.
Yes. I don't need the toy anymore. Really?
Yes?
Thank you for understanding.
Mom.
Yes?
I love you.
I love you too, my son.
Mom works so hard for me. I made her sad. I want to make her smile. Mother's Day is coming. I'll buy her a gift with my own money. That's my promise.
Hello, Rian.
Uncle, can I help you clean the shop?
Why?
I want to earn some money.
What for?
It's a secret.
All right. Sweep the floor.
Here are $2.
Thank you, Uncle.
You're a hard-working boy.
Thank you. $1, $2, $3. I'm getting closer. Mom will be so happy. This is for Mom's Mother's Day gift. I'll keep saving.
Rian, could you help me carry these groceries?
Of course, Grandma.
Thank you, dear.
It's my pleasure. Here you go. All delivered. Oh, thank you so much, sweetie.
Here, take this little reward.
Thank you.
You're a very kind boy.
I'm saving money for someone special.
Your mother?
Yes. Yes.
She must be very proud of you.
Rahim, be careful. Somebody help! Call an ambulance. My leg. Don't move. What will happen to my family? Rahim needs several weeks of rest.
Several weeks?
Yes.
But he is our only source of income.
I'm sorry. Salma,
Don't worry.
how will we survive?
Somehow.
Dad, will you be okay?
Yes, son.
I hope you get better soon.
I have to take another job.
You're already exhausted.
We need money for food and medicine.
I feel useless.
Don't say that.
Everything is on your shoulders now.
We are a family. We'll get through this together.